Hello, welcome back. Guys, got a little deer hunting video for you this time. We've seen a lot of deer. A lot of little deer we've let go, and one little deer, but not that little deer, we didn't let go. Got a nice little 7-point basket rack. Got it on film, first one ever. So we're going to get into this thing and let you see kind of how we do some deer hunting. I hunt with a crossbow, my son hunts with a compound bow, and check this out. They've cut the bean field, and I'm trying some of this Evercom stuff tonight. See how good it works. Hey man, you like let me know why you're trespassing on my land?
Well, I was Roger's mom owns that house right there.
Come on over here.
I came from right up down here.
Well, I don't have a whole lot of land over here, but y'all need to stay over there.
Yeah, like I said, I'm real sorry, sir. I got lost.
Well, when you pushed the deer, there was one right over there.
Yeah.
All right, tell your buddy. Again, back in this corner stand. And I got a brand new extinguisher call. Play with that a little bit. So now we're getting ready to get into the one that I actually shot. Got this whole thing on film, two slightly different angles. The deer comes out to my right, out into the field, and then he moves down right to me, and he's almost dead under the stand, and there's some bushes between me and him, and I can't get to him. I have to wait for him to move out, which he does after he wins me. Really exciting, really cool. This is my first one that I've gotten on film, so here's this one. Meh. Meh. Wow. That looked like a Pretty decent shot. Meh. 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 All right, we're gonna see if we can find it. All right. There it is. Oh yeah. Look at that, baby. Nice clean pass through. Right on. There's blood right there. Blood there. There he is. I got him. Yep. Wow, man. How about that? Not bad. A little high. Young deer. Mm-hmm. Pick the thickest place you could go. Why do they always die in the thickest part of the woods? Alright, so that's it. That's the first deer hunting video on the channel. Give me that thumbs up like button and definitely subscribe down there. Share this video with your friends, guys. I always appreciate comments. I've got a bunch of links to all the equipment I use down in the description below for you. Make sure you check out some of my other videos while you're here, and we'll see you next time.